Dashcam Madness. Submit your clips below. Enjoy the video. I don't think you can drive there, mate. Comment down below if you know where this is. Why can't people be careful?
Young man, young woman holding their young Jewish baby and something in Hebrew, kind of advertising like this is a settlement, call this number, encouraging Israelis to move there all across the highway. You see that more and more. I remember having a conversation, my uncle was delivering maybe chlorine, I forget what he was delivering, but we drove to Jericho. We're seeing all the billboards and the tanks driving by us and the yellow lights away from the settlements. I remember talking to him about what Israel's end goal is, like what in his mind. And
the sun wasn't even in the other driver's eyes.
Oh my God.
Does it get more idiotic than this?
I'm surprised they ain't called the police on here. Right here.
This idiot cuts across 2 lanes of traffic to turn left. This truck driver pushed me to the shoulder of the road. I think we were both idiots here.
Where's that last one? Up next, I'm gonna keep it going with some of your usual Thursday vibes. All you K-pop lovers out there.
What in the hell, bro?
Don't drink and drive, please. I'm not sure what happened to him.
A few moments later.
Camaros always have the right of way. This Corolla driver sits at a green light, then performs a dangerous punishment pass, gets honked at, and attempts a reckless maneuver in revenge against the other driver.
Okay, so this is the last ferry from Vancouver to Victoria, 9:15. Alberta AB
Stop
8991.
harassing me.
No one's harassing you.
Yes, you are harassing
Your friend
me. Stop
at the back?
harassing me. Stop
Open the door
harassing
and
me. You know what? I'm
there's a
gonna
little
call the
scratch here.
police and I'm gonna say you're
Right here.
harassing me. Relax.
This one.
He's harassing
Right
me.
here.
You're recording it.
Yep.
He's harassing me.
I have every
yes,
right to
you
record.
are harassing me.
And of course, BMW, blacked out, no license plate. And this is our license plate.
Nothing too dramatic, just something mildly infuriating. Did I do something wrong?
In 600 feet, turn left onto Homestead Street.
The far right lane is where you turn left. Another driver who don't know how to look back. According to the other driver, the fault was 100% mine. Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe and check out our other videos and submit your own clips below. We are a new channel, so your support is greatly appreciated.